Greetings YouTube, my name is Betamaster64 and I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own Jimmy Dean breakfast sandwich. So to kick it off, we are going to need the breakfast sandwich itself and a microwave. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open the door of the microwave, like so, insert the sandwich, like so, and then you're going to want to close the door and set the timer for approximately 90 seconds. Most microwaves default to high power, so make sure your microwave is set to high power if it does not default to high power, and you will click Start. Once you hear the beep that signals that your meal is done, you're going to want to open the door of the microwave and remove the sandwich from the rotating platter. It might be a little bit hot, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find a plate. Sometimes you might accidentally get another plate stuck under the plate. So what we're going to want to do, we're going to want to take this off of here. This is plastic and this is not plastic. So you're going to want to separate the plastic and the not plastic. And then you have your sandwich, which consists of a biscuit, egg, cheese, and sausage. This is what I will be eating for the next minute or so. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative. If you didn't, that's great. If you did, awesome. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, do whatever the heck you want because I can't control you, and